That's me, over 40 years ago, dreaming of being a pilot someday, flying above the clouds, witnessing beautiful sunrises and sunsets, where every day is filled with inspiration and awe, a job at the highest levels of perfection and professionalism, where beautiful flight attendants willingly laugh at your jokes and always listen intently to your cool flying stories. Yeah, right. That's not modern-day airline flying, at least not what I've experienced. Since the onset of computer and AI flight scheduling, flight crews no longer enjoy long layovers to exotic faraway locations. You're more likely to get a minimum 10-hour rest after a 4-leg day, leaving only time to sleep and recover for the next day's grind. And that will more likely be in Duluth, Minnesota, not Paris, France. The chaos experienced by flight crews caused by the constant onslaught of delays, multiple cities and airports, demanding flight schedules, and endless people problems seems to go on and on and on until you feel, well, like you're just gonna lose your mind. So what do? As my mom always told me, Damon, just stop and smell the roses. And that's exactly what I did on a recent layover to Quito, Ecuador. We fly to Quito out of Miami. It's an approximate 6-hour flight that gets in at midnight. You don't fly out again until 12 p.m. that night, which leaves you about 24 hours to rest, visit any sites you want to see, then get to bed around 2 p.m. for a 9 p.m. wake up for your all-nighter back to Miami. There was just one goal in mind on this trip, and that was to see Cotopoxi, the grand jewel of Quito, Ecuador. After we landed, I rushed to get out of the airport, into the van, and off to the hotel, an hour's drive away. I got about 4 hours of sleep before waking up, packing my gear, getting a quick breakfast, and into a cab to meet my group for our Cotopoxi hike and bike tour. And that's where this story begins. So I found the bus. Here it is. Hola, señor. Buenos dias. We're supposed to leave here at 7. Go pick up another group, and then we start heading up the mountain. So this should be pretty fun. So we're just about to enter the National Preserve for Cotopoxi Volcano. We just stopped at a little market here. I'm gonna grab some water and then we'll be heading into the park. Right now, normally we'd be able to see Cotopoxi right there, but the cloud cover is real bad. He says that once we get over on the other side, we actually might see some more mountains. But right now, the weather's pretty much as I expected. It's the rainy season right now. This is something you see here in Latin America a lot that you don't see in the States. You actually have to pay this lady a quarter to use the restroom. So that's something kind of different. So you got to bring some quarters with you, otherwise you're shit out of luck. So we're going up to do a big hike up the mountain, and then we'll hike back down. And then evidently there's like a bike trail that we go down. It's about a 45-minute bike trail. Anyways, here we go. Cotopoxi volcano just starting to come into view. The clouds are just starting to separate, giving us a little bit of view of it. Really incredible. Absolutely gorgeous. What a treat. So we're at 4,500 meters, and then we're gonna go on about a 45-minute hike. It's really cold out. It's drizzly, raining right now, and it's very windy. We're close. So we're gonna do the easier to zigzag, Sendero zigzag. Oops, we're not doing the zigzag. We're gonna do the more difficult toad. No, the difficult Todd Media Alta. It's cold up here, man. It's wet and it's windy. Maybe this should have been a disclaimer. Time for another break. What did it take, like 20 steps? All right, time to put the GoPro away. Take my last push. I think I only made it to base camp, but just as far as Dana Bentley's gonna go. 4,864 meters. 953 feet. That's pretty high. I think I'm high. Made it to base camp. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die. Well, that was a little harder than I thought. Nice hot cocoa. Very, very nice. Just what I needed. It's Gabriel, he's our tour guide. I call him the Sherpa. We're going back downhill now. It's a really cool day today so far. And we're only halfway done. We still got to do the bike ride. But as you can see, the conditions have really deteriorated. So we can't go up to the glacier today. Woo-wee. Hey, Gabriel, that was great, man. Well, I'm gonna have to wash these shoes. As if there wasn't enough danger before, we now have extreme danger. We actually had to sign away our life. Down in the grasslands. All we got left at this point is to go over to the lake, and then from the lake we're gonna go have lunch, and then head back. Hey, it's been an awesome day. I'm back at the hotel. I gotta get some sleep, man. I only got 4 hours of sleep last night.
Well, that's a wrap for Ecuador. 2 nights here, real nice. 3:30 in the morning, heading down, meet the band. Check the box for Quito. I've been here before, but never gone out and done anything so adventurous other than going up on the gondola. So it was real nice, a real nice trip. But time to go home and spend some time with the family. Thanks for joining me on the adventure yesterday. It was quite an exciting.
Whew. I'm dead.